Hey, it's Mac from Plumbing Deals. Today we're going to be unboxing a Mountain Plumbing Stealth 750 disposal. This is one of my favorite disposals to recommend to customers. It's really cool, nice, compact. They've done a ton of cool stuff with it. We'll get into all the specs and details in an installation video that'll be on the channel shortly, but today we're just going to dig into what's in the actual box. So let's get into it. All right, so right out the top, it's packed really well. We have a nice styrofoam insert here that protects the disposal. And this guy, along with the instructions, are really the only things in the box. Big fan of instructions. It's going to walk you through how to do all the stuff for installation. I'm going to need to read up on this most likely. But in this white box that came in the package, I actually don't know what's in here. Oh, this is really cool. So this is our outlet for the drain, but they come with a bunch of different adapters for under the sink. So this is really handy. We end up with a couple of basically extension tubes, some traps, different things you can end up using to kind of connect this if you have a dual compartment like 50-50 sink, or if you just have a single compartment sink, you'll have all the adapters you need right in the box. So for a plumber trying to keep van stock, this is a really nice consideration for you because you don't have to think like, oh man, I have 3 disposals and I just went and did a kitchen finish and blew through all my bag traps. I need to grab an extra bag trap or an end waste outlet, any of the other tubular PVC fittings you could need to install this. It's right here. Pretty awesome. You can cut it down to size, make it whatever you need for the sink and kind of the size of it. So that's really great to see. And then the disposal itself, I love this size of a disposal. Gives you a little bit more room under the sink compared to like some of the bigger, bulky ones that are silent. No disposal is truly silent, but this is pretty much it. We've got our disposal flange kind of pre-mounted right here. Classic disposal flange. We've got our removable gasket. Cool thing about these Mountain Plumbing disposals is that when they're on, they're at full speed no matter what. The motor doesn't take any time to ramp up as far as I know on these. All right, we're gonna do the sound test so you guys kind of know how loud this disposal is. Obviously, we're just kind of working off of the mic that's on my shirt. Gotta kind of get a little grip on these, but in terms of sound, this is pretty much it. That's our Mountain Plumbing Supply 750 Stealth disposal unboxing. If you have any questions or need to know anything else, feel free to get a hold of us, plumbingdeals.com. Phone number is 888-682-5956. And our email is contact@plumbingdeals.com. Thanks so much.